This video is going to save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of your manual work, because in this video I'm going to share my AI social media marketing automation, which itself find the topics, research them with the deep analyze, then redirect them on the ChatGPT, which is going to create the engaging post and then post on different social media platforms. Not only it creates the text content that is posted on the Facebook and the other social media content, but it also generates the engaging and the attracting these kind of the images. And not only that, it's also create the expert kind of the long post with the CTA hashtag and the emojis and post on the LinkedIn profiles. So this is the automation I'm going to talk about. So hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back here. So let's get started, and I will show you how you can also create this kind of the AI automation, which is going to save you thousands of dollars because you don't need any social media experts. Even the beginner can do it. So let me share my journey of this AI automation here. So you can see I have connected these RSS, means I am getting the continuous new ideas around my niche content topics. Then after that, this is the Perplexity AI, which deeply analyze the content and send it to the here ChatGPT, which is going to turn it into the engaging post and then published on my Facebook, LinkedIn or the Instagram. Same thing I have done it here for the Instagram, but not only it is going to post the content, but it is also going to generate the really relevant content here that will be turned into the image. For me, this is the example and demo, you can watch it right now. So this is the NEET related, means the medical entrance exam related image, and look at the clarity, look at the engagement, look at the colorful. Isn't it just amazing? So let me tell you how you can also create this kind of the automation for yourself, and this is the really easy. Just stay with this tutorial, and in the end you will also own this kind of the automation, which you can connect with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You can connect it with the Twitter, with the Reddit, and so much on the apps you can just connect it here. So to create this kind of the automation, I am using the make.com. If you don't know, this is the really good platform for creating the automations. It has so many great software services and the models available that you can connect as you please. So there's the link that you can access and create the free plan on the make.com, and after that, once you logged in, this is the how your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so in the dashboard, what you have to do first, let me save this scenario here, means if I am not able to save this one, this is going to be deleted. So this is how your dashboard is look like. We have to go to the scenarios where we will craft our automation. So once you got in the scenario section, just click here on the create a new scenario. So let's click it here, and let me share the steps here. So the first step, we are going to get the ideas in around our niche say. So it is going to be fresh list of the ideas with every day automatically refreshed on automation. Okay, we don't have to add the ideas or the topics manually. We are going to do with automation with the help of AI. So for do that, we are going to use the Google Alerts. So let's go to the Google Alerts website. So simply search the Google Alerts here, and this is the first link we are going to open, and here you need to just add your topic or the niche you are working on. For me, for this demo, I'm going to go with the NEET. So if you don't know, this is the medical entrance exam test in the India. Okay, so when I added this seed keyword, these are the all the results I got it here. So what you need to do, here's my suggestion, add the topic keyword around 1 or 2 keyword, not more than that, because it is going to give you the some generic kind of the result that we don't want it here. We want really the relevant kind of the articles that we want to fetch out. Okay, so that's why I'm suggesting your seed keyword should be around 2 words. Then after that, let's click on the create, and here you can see our alert is created. Okay, the alert is already active on your account, so it's already activated. So once you add that, this is how it is going to be look like. Let's click here on the pencil icon, and right now it will be like on your email address. Okay, you are going to get all these alerts on your email address, but we have to change that. We are going to select the RSS feed. We want the alerts but not on our email. We want the link or a page page where these kind of the alerts will appear, and that's how we have just created the RSS feed. And this will simply look like this Wi-Fi icon. We are going to click on it, and this is our RSS feed link here. So simply copy it here. Okay, we need that, and let's back to the our automation. And now to connect and get these ideas here on this automation, we have to search the RSS. So simply search RSS. This is the RSS, and here you can find out the module. We are going to use this one, watch RSS feed item. So let's click it here. Okay, and now it is asking the link we get from here. So just simply paste it, and you can see maximum number of the written items. So how many the articles per day you are going to add in the your automations, you can select that. For me, I'm going to get started with the 1, but you can make it 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the number you want, just add it here. And now let's click on the OK, and you can see from now on. Okay, so all RSS feed select on, let's click and OK. So this is the first module we have added in our automation. Now let's click here on the plus icon and connect it with the Google Sheets. So why I am connecting with the Google Sheets? So this is the Google Sheet. I am connecting here with the title and the link. So I am connecting here. Once I connect the RSS with the Google Sheets, this link and the title will be automatically start adding in the list. So by chance I have this some also few more topics that I want to add manually. So connecting with the sheet, not only I get the ideas on the automations, but in future if I want to add some topics manually, I can also do that here. That's why I am adding the Google Sheet. Okay, so let's click here on the plus icon, and here we have the Google Sheet. Click it here, and we want to add a new row, because every time a new topic idea or topic content appear, it is going to add a new row here on the list with the title and the link. Okay, so add a row, click it here. Okay, and it is going to first going to connect with your account. So simply click here on the add, and you have to sign in with your Google account for access that spreadsheet. Okay, so I have already done that, that's why it is showing me. And after that you have to don't change all these things. Simply click here on the spreadsheet ID and click here to choose file 1. Okay, so I have so many spreadsheet files are already available in my account, so we have to particularly this one. So let me copy the name of this sheet name and search it here. So this is the sheet I want. Okay, and now we are going to allocate and find out the sheet name. So this is the sheet name. Okay, and this is the contents headers. Yes, so first one we have the title. So in the title section I want the title from the RSS feed. You know, we have connected RSS feed, so this is the title. And in the link we want the link of that RSS feed content. So this is the URL, you can check it here. So let me add it here, and that's pretty much okay. So let's click on the OK, and now our this step of the automation is done. So we want to check it how it is working or not. We can find it out easily. Just click here on the run once, and if everything is okay, this flag will be marked as the green, and this is the mark as the green. Plus you can also check it out, this is the some pop-up is showing out with the 1, and if we hover the cursor, this is marked as the glass icon. Okay, so if I click here, you can see this is the output and everything is working fine. If there is the any error, it will be showed as the red here, but there is the no red markup in the both modules, means everything is working fine. And let's back to the our sheet here and see. Yeah, you can see this is the title and this is the link, it is added. Let me once again click on the run once, and let's see if the new list is added here on the not. You can see it is added, so means our automation is working really good. Now let's go to the next step where we are going to connect, because we have the content title and the link, means we have the content idea. Now we want to do the analyze it and research on it with the deep down. So we have a need to a module which is going to do that. So simply click here on the plus icon and here search Perplexity. Okay, this is the Perplexity AI which is going to do the thing we want to do it. So simply click it here, and here we need to click here on the create a chat completion. Okay, so again first while you are selecting the Perplexity.ai, it is going to ask you to add the API key so you can connect it with your automation. So that is really simply easy. Just go to the Perplexity.ai, go to the settings, create your account, and here on the API you will easily able to find your API. Just copy it and paste it here on the integrity, and your account will be connected. But let me give you the one more notice here. So once you got to create your account on this platform of the Perplexity.ai, the API keys will not be unlocked. You have to add few dollars here to unlock the API key, because every time there's the fetching from the API, it costs you a little bit amount here in this sense. So the pricing is really so much affordable. In the $3 it is going to give you the so much value here. So I think you should have to pay around a little bit here. So to give you a demo, I have just added the $3 and I have tested a lot. I have tested around the 60 or the 50 times of the automation, and it only cost me around the 6 cents. So I mean the pricing cost is really affordable here. Okay, so once you got the your API key added here and your now Perplexity account is created or linked with your automation. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add the command or the prompt. So what the prompt I want to give it here, first assign the role. The role is always going to be user, and the content command what I want to give it here, analyze and summarize this article. Okay, and to article, for the relevancy we have to add the automation linking here. So what we want to analyze, we want to analyze the URL. So in the RSS you can see in the URL section, this is the URL section, we want Perplexity AI to analyze. So simply click here and it will be added here. Okay, so along with the URL I also want title for the analyzing, so we can briefly get to know the topic about. Okay, so I have added title, and if I want to add manually kind of the links here by adding the manually, I also want Perplexity to analyze it. So how we can do that, we have to also select this sheet here. Okay, now I have given the command. Let's click here. So click here on the OK, and now everything is done. So to check it out if everything is working good or not, we have to click here again on the run once, and if this turns into the green, if then everything is working fine. So everything is working fine. Let's check if there is any issue or not. So there's the no issue. We got the output. Let's check it out. The output in the choice, we have this section. In the message we can check it out. Let me make it a little bit here, and let's click here on the message, and we got, you can see the article need has failed, student Supreme Court, and this is the summarization of that link. So Perplexity.ai is working fine. So this is our first draft of the automation is done. We got the ideas I have added in the list, and from this list, this is the Perplexity.ai that is doing the research work. Now we are going to give it to the ChatGPT or the Cloudy to create the content out of this summarization thing. Then it is going to post on the different social media platform. To repurpose the content and publishing with the different social media content, we need router. So simply click again on this plus icon, and here we have to search the router. So simply search router. So router, what will do, it is going to open the different pathways. You can see it is open the different pathways. So I need one more pathway. So every time I will click here on the plus, it is going to open a new pathway. So in the path, first I am going to connect with the ChatGPT. So simply search the ChatGPT, because this is the most popular LLM, and some kind of it is also free. There's also the Cloudy here. Okay, Cloudy AI, Anthropic Cloudy here also, but we don't need that because it is the paid one. So we are going to use the most free and the most popular, that is the ChatGPT. And you can see this is the ChatGPT. You either you search the ChatGPT or the OpenAI, you can easily find that. So let's click it here, and you can see we are going to create the content out of this summary. So we need the prompt. So this is the prompt thing, you can check it out, create a completion prompt. There's also the other models available like generate image, analyze image, edit image, but right now we need the prompt to customize the content or generate the content. So that's why this is the prompt model available. Let's search, click it here, and now it will be added. So again, to connect with the OpenAI, you have to add the API key. Okay, so how you are going to find the API? Simply go to the OpenAI account, and there you will be find here. So simply click it here, you will find the login page. Just log in and you will find easily the API keys that that you need to copy and paste here, and boom, your account will be connected here. So I have already done that, that's why it is showing all this thing. Then after that, it will ask you to select the GPT model. So simply see, this is the model section, and here you can see all the GPT launched models. You can check it here. So what I suggest, go with the 3.5 turbo, because it is not going to burn up so much the credits or the tokens, but it still give you the really good amount of the prompt or generation. Okay, so we have done selecting the prompt. Now I have to add the prompt here. So click here on the subject. As the role, we are going to select the user, and here I need to add the prompt. So right now I already have some prompt available written here. You can see for the Facebook or the Instagram, this is the prompt I'm going to use. Don't worry, this prompt you will also find, because I have created detailed listicle of document. All the step I have showing you here, this is the document I am talking about, and here you will find out all the things, all the information, all the steps, like the from step 1 to step 6 to generating your or creating your AI automation. And here you will also find all these prompts I am using right now here. So let's back to the automation and add the prompt here. So let me close this one, and you can just check it out how this prompt is looking. Okay, let me make it a little bit here so it can appear on the screen, and you can read. Create a post as a marketing specialty promoting an article on given reference. So I have to add the reference here. You can see here the summary of the article of reference. So I'm going to connect with the Perplexity AI. Here we have to go to the choices. You can see the choices in the message, and this is the content that is it has summarized. So I have added here, and now this is the reference I have added here. Now it is asking me the maximize tokens I need to add. So higher the number of the tokens, higher of the amount of content, and the quality of the content is going to generate for you. So right now I think the 3000 will be good, because we are going to create short kind of the social media content. And once it is added, click on this OK button, and now it is the connected here. Boom, that's how pretty much fast, easy, isn't it? Okay, so I have connected the first module here. So now right now what I can do, I need to connect it with the Facebook, so it can post this content that is generated by the ChatGPT to my Facebook account. So simply again on the plus icon here, you have to search the Facebook, and here you can see Facebook pages. If you click here on the Facebook, it is going to connect with your personal profile, but I want to do the post or the social media content publishing on my one of the page. So that's why I'm selecting the page here, and after that it is going to ask you to connect or authenticate with the Facebook. And once you authenticate, it will show you all of the pages available on the profile. Let me give you the demo here. In the page, it will ask you what you want to do. I want to create a post. So you can see this is the model, create a post, select it here, and now you can see it will ask you to connect your Facebook account. Okay, so once you connected that, it will ask you to select the page on which you want to do content publishing. So right now I want to do on this page in Figures. So select this one. After that, it will ask you the message and the link. Okay, so you don't have to fill up anything, because the message and the link will be getting from this ChatGPT, and after that it will be published directly on my Facebook page, that is create a post. Okay, so let's click on the OK, and now this automation is done. So if you want to check it out, all these steps is working right or not, simply click here on the run once, and if everything is working good, it will be marked as the green. You can see this automation is working, doing the process. Let's see on the Facebook what the results we got it here. Okay, I will also give you the okay, you can see this is the red markup, means this something we need to improve. Like you can see the post is empty, please enter a message to share auth expansion. Okay, so this is not generated content here, so let me check it here. What's the mistake happened? If you go here, okay, our result is generated, but it is not posted here on the Facebook. I think there's the mistake, so let me check it out. This is the page, this is the okay, I know what the problem got it on. In the message section, you can see I haven't selected or added what kind of the content I want from the ChatGPT to be posted on the Facebook. That's why that thing is happened, sorry about that. So we have to go on the choices, and here we want the message. So this is the message, and here in the content what I want to be posted. So simply click here, and now you can see message, content, and the choices is added. Let's click on the OK. Okay, so that's how if you will find any issue on any of these modules, this is the red markup you will see. If everything is good, this is the green markup you will get here. So once again, let's click on the run once, and again if everything is good, then there will be no mark will showing up in the red here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, everything is good, and you can right now, this is the post that is the added on my Facebook page here. So let's back to the Facebook. This is the Facebook, and let me refresh the page and see whether there is the any post that is the published right now on this time or not. Okay, you can see just now, and you can see existing news alert, want to stay updated on the latest scandal rocking the educational one. Okay, the post is the published on my Facebook page. So right now in front of you, I showed you an automation from ideas generating to the prompt to the Facebook page. It is live. Now we are going to do the same with other social media profiles. So this time not only I am going to post the content, but I am also going to turn that content text into the image like this is added on my Instagram, and same thing I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so let's back to our automation, and this time we have to do again connect the ChatGPT and add this kind of prompt, but you have to don't repeat that stuff. Just simply right click here and click on the clone, then make it drag and drop it here, and now this is the same prompt. We are going to use it again without doing the same manual effort. But right now this is the text prompt. We want to convert this text into the image. So how we have to do that? Just simply click here on the plus icon, and here you have to just again select the open AI, but this time we are going to choose generate an image. Okay, and there you have to select the model. I'm going to select the dolly 3, and let's give it the prompt generate and generate a 3D realistic or colorful image about. We have to add the prompt. Okay, so I'm selecting the prompt here, basically the output of ChatGPT. So we have to go to the choices, then here we can find out the message, and here we have to select this content part. Okay, so it is going to generate a 3D realistic colorful image about this message content. Okay, now let's click on the OK, and this thing is done. So if I want to check it out whether it's actually working or not, I have to right click and click here on the run this module only. If everything will be okay, it will be marked as the green. Let's see this is marked as the green or not. Okay, so this is the start progressing. You can see this is the right circle bar around this ChatGPT module is working. If everything is okay, yeah, everything is okay. You can see there is the no red markup. If we open this magnifying glass icon, we see there is the no issue is going on, means this module is working fine. Now we have to connect it with our Instagram account so it can publish there. So just search the Instagram. You can see creative photo post selected here. Now it will ask you to connect your Instagram account. So I have already done that, so I have to just select that account on which I want to publish this image. I have selected that, and after that it asks me the photo URL. So simply click it here, and on this thing you can see generate an image. We have to select that image data. So we have to this image data, and here we have to select the URL which is going to show the image. Okay, then this is the URL I have added here. I can also add the caption. So in the caption we have to add the content that is generated by here on this ChatGPT module. So go to the choices, on the message we are going to select this content, and this is the caption will be okay. So let's click on the OK, and now this automation for the Instagram is also done. So let's click here on the run once and see if everything is working fine or not. So you can see the automation is running. Okay, right now you can see this is the process bar around the Instagram, means the image is generated and posted on the Instagram. So let's back to the Instagram, my profile here. This is right now the my previous photo is uploaded. Let me refresh the profile and see if there is the new image added or not. Okay, so I'm really excited to see if there's the image or what kind of the image it has added. So right now we have the image, and I'm really surprised with the quality. This is all according the prompt we have entered. So let me open this image and see if there's the any content or not, and you can see this is the content. So this automation is also working really fine here. So let's back to the our automation. So right now I have connected and did with the Facebook, and we have also the Instagram. Now I am going to do the same but for the LinkedIn. Okay, so again I'm going to clone this model of the ChatGPT for generating the content. Okay, I have cloned, I have added here. Now in this section I'm going to connect my LinkedIn account. So let's click on this plus icon and search the LinkedIn. So this is the LinkedIn, and here I want to create a text post. You can see create a user text post. So let's select it here. Now again you have to connect your LinkedIn account. Simply click here on the add and click on this save. It is going to authenticate the connection. So I have already done that. This is why my Instagram account is LinkedIn account is showing up here. And in the content I want to create or add the content here of the ChatGPT. So again go to choices, on the messages, this is the content that I'm going to post on the LinkedIn. And here what I can do, I can also add the mentions, I can add the media type, but I'm going to only post the and text content on the LinkedIn. That's why I'm not adding it here. Okay, so let me click here on the OK. So I can just mark this one. Okay, so this is the OK button. Let's click it here, and this is done. My LinkedIn is connected. Okay, so I have to click here on the run once. Okay, if everything will be good, it is going to again publish a post that will be directly published on my Facebook, Instagram for the generating the image and the content. And this time I have also linked, because the LinkedIn here, so a content piece will be also published on the LinkedIn. Okay, not it is going to publish, but that will be not unique, because I have to add the prompt according to the LinkedIn here. That is I haven't done. So the same content piece will be the added in the LinkedIn. Okay, you can see this is the right now added, and everything is done. This is marked at the green. There's also this pop-up. There's the no any mistake is going on, so means the LinkedIn account is also posted. But I think that thing will not be in the really high quality. So let me refresh the post and see if there's the right now any content piece published or not. Okay, so this is all activity, and you can see now this is the content piece is already added, and you can see it is not that kind of the high quality, although this is the content piece with the emojis, with the hashtag, but it is not that kind of the high quality. So we have to tweak up a little bit prompt here. So let's click here on the ChatGPT prompt, and you can see this is the prompt. So I already have a really cool prompt for the LinkedIn. You can see this is the LinkedIn prompt. So I'm going to copy it here in the message section. Make sure your role always be user. Okay, and here you need to just paste this prompt here, and make sure while after adding this prompt you have to select the summary from which article is going to create that content piece that will be posted on the LinkedIn. So right now we have the Perplexity, we have to go to the choices. In the choices we have to go to the message, and here we have to select the content. So we have the summary of this article. Let's click on the OK, and now this is the prompt we have tweaked up. And if I click here on the run once again, it is now again starting our automation, and every time I start the automation it is going to create a new content piece. Okay, so if you don't know, if I go to the Facebook, so this was the previously posted. If I refresh the page, you will be amazed. There's the new content piece will be automatically added. You can see just now this is the new content piece will be automatically added, and this is the 2 minutes ago. So every time I run an automation, this is create a new content piece and will be added on my different social media platform that I have connected on this automation. Okay, so all this automation is done. Let's go to the Instagram and see if there's the new image or not. Okay, so let me refresh the page and see if there's the image is published or not. You can see this is the image, and this is the text content piece automatically added. Let's go to the LinkedIn and see this time we have any high quality of the content that is as the industry expert added or not here. Okay, so you can see this is just added, and see the quality of this content. You can see the quality content is really good here. This is the long form of content, and there's also the around need kind of the thing it is added, and there's also the hashtag available. So this is how you have just created the automation that is going to automatically publish the content from ideas to your different social media profiles here. So you see there's the every time I click here on the run once, it is going to create the content. So how you are going to automate this one? So you have to simply click here on this schedule enable option, and now you have to select on which day or which time frame interval you want to create the content or this automation run. So it can be based on your timely interval, it can be your daily, it can be your weekly or monthly. So let's go with the everyday, and let me save this automation. So right now this automation is built, and every day it is going to run as the once. Okay, yeah, okay, and it is going to generate the content and will be automatically published on my different social media profile. You can also add more social media profiles. So simply again click on the router. Here you have to again add the cloudy or the ChatGPT. So just click here on select the ChatGPT, click here on the creative completion, and again what are the promote or the model you have to select, and you have to add your prompt here as the user. Okay, so simply I'm going to go with this time summarize the content as expert. Okay, and we have to add the content that is going to use as the reference from the Perplexity.ai. Let's add it here. Okay, let's click here, and now suppose I want to connect my Twitter, so I can also do that. Simply click here on the and search the Twitter, and this is the Twitter. Now once if I click or connect with my Twitter, the every time this is the content is or run of this automation, a new content piece will be automatically to edit my Twitter account. Same thing I can do with the Reddit. Let me clone this one, add here. Okay, let me mark this one. Okay, I think I have to first here, let me assign or make it good in the layout. Okay, and you can see, okay, I have to first delete this one because things are a little bit messy here. So you can easily see how this automation is looking like. Okay, this is for the Twitter. Now this time I want to add for the Reddit. Okay, so let's search the Reddit if we have any module for Reddit or not. So add the Reddit. You can see we have the module available. So in the module I want to submit a post, so select this one, and you have to just connect your connection. Again add the title, subject, type, and your automation will be done. Okay, so this is how you can create the automation that you can use also for the other social media platforms, whether no matter it's your LinkedIn, Facebook, or generating a image or any kind of, you can just simply create it. Okay, so that's all in this video. I want to show you an automation which is going to replace your social media experts and going to save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours. Okay, so make sure you also check out this document. You can find the link here in the description of this video. All you have to just click on the link and you will get this document here. Make sure you also check out the make.com because this is the king in the automation industry. With this platform you can create any kind of the automation here. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe this channel for all those kind of the automation we are going to create and deploy for marketing, for sales in the future. So make sure to subscribe. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.